Hey, this is Nick from Palomar, the advanced analytics and AI solution company for the cannabis industry. In today's video, I want to cover a new solution that we've launched for customer segmentation. This is a self-serve solution that we've created to do RFM analysis and segmentation of your dispensary membership file. And if you're not already familiar with RFM segmentation, in a nutshell, what we're doing is we're looking at the shopping recency, frequency, and monetary value of each and every one of your dispensary members over time, and using that information to score them and then to place them into shopper specific segments for targeted marketing and also for merchandising purposes. So let me show you how quick and easy this is to use. First, I'm going to take a look with you at the typical input file. And this, you can see there are 6 fields that we need. We've got about 20,000, exactly 20,000 customers in this file. And this is a file, it's a CSV file that could be easily exported from pretty much any cannabis point of sale system. What we need is a unique member ID. We don't need any personally identifying information. We need to know when that member joined, when they last visited. We need to know what the average purchase value was, the days since the last purchase, so the frequency of purchase, and then the number of transactions. That's all we need. Once we have that, it's really quick and easy to operate. So I'm going to load that data. And that was a demo file. We're not using anybody else's data. I'm going to submit that. And literally within 2 seconds, we have scored, analyzed, and segmented 20,000 dispensary members. And here up above, you can see kind of a thumbnail sketch of what the output file looks like. I'm going to go ahead and export that, and we'll take a look at it in a second. And then down below, you get a bird's eye view of how your customers are distributed across the 8 different shopper segments, from the biggest one, which is hibernating, to the smallest one over here in the bottom right-hand corner, which is potential loyalists, and everything in between. And you can see some summary stats for each one of the segments to give you a feeling for average spend, average frequency of visit, the number of customers that are in there, and then the percent of customers that are in each one of those segments. Now, our clients use this to do a snapshot, so a one-time ad hoc study to get a view of what the customer distribution is across those segments. They use it to do a regular update and scoring of their customer base over time, maybe once a month, and they use that to refresh their analytics mart and integrate the customer segment mapping with their point of sale data, so they can see how their customers are migrating from lower value segments to higher value segments over time based on specific targeted marketing and their merchandising strategy. And then the third use case is to develop, use an understanding of the customers in each of these segments, what they're purchasing, how often, how much, to craft specific tactics for targeted marketing to encourage shopper behavior and to move those customers from one lower value segment to a higher value segment over time. And then also to match up merchandising and assortment strategy with what customers are actually buying. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to take a look at the output file real quick. Here's what it looks like. You can see, I'm just going to wrap these. You can see the main star of the show is this new column, which is the segment. And you can see our members, each one of them have been mapped into one of the 8 customer, shopper segments used for marketing and merchandising purposes. So that's it in a nutshell. Super quick, easy, lightning fast. And most importantly, it generates insights and analytics that you can action almost immediately with your marketing agency or inside of your company to develop tactics for targeted marketing encourage specific shopper behavior in terms of recency, in terms of stretching basket value, and in terms of frequency of visit, and then to fine tune your assortment strategy and product mix in your stores. Check out the link in the video screen, and that'll give you a path to learn more about this solution and hopefully to get started working with us on this. Thanks so much.